When you search for sleeper sofas for overnight guests, everything looks the same beige fabric, same pull-out beds, same promises of comfort. But if you've ever had a friend wake up with back pain or complain about a lumpy mattress, you know the real difference isn't in the photos. It's in the details most brands don't talk about. Product number 1, MAXYOYO Folding Sofa Bed. This MAXYOYO folding sofa bed caught my eye because it's not trying to be a full couch, it's honest about being a space-saving guest solution. Priced under $265, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option for small spaces, and with over 400 sold recently, it's clearly filling a need. If you want something simple, portable, and easy to store, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It folds out into a double-sized floor mattress with back support and includes pillows, so your guests aren't just sleeping on a flat surface. The design uses layered foam to give decent cushioning, and because it sits low to the ground, it feels stable and secure, no wobbling or shifting during the night. It's not a traditional sofa, but that's the point. It's meant for temporary use, and it delivers exactly that without taking up permanent space. Now, some people might complain that it's not suitable for daily sitting, and they're right. This isn't meant to replace your main couch. The seat height is only about 6 inches off the floor, which can be awkward for long lounging. But if you're using it occasionally for guests, that's not a deal breaker. It's lightweight, easy to move, and sets up in seconds. This is perfect for you if you live in a studio apartment, have a guest nook, or need something you can tuck away after use. Skip this one if you want a full-sized sofa that doubles as a bed for regular use. For the price and function, it's solid value. Product number 2, MAXYOYO Convertible Love Seat. Now, if the previous MAXYOYO model felt too minimal, this pull-out love seat version offers a more traditional sofa shape while still being convertible. At $252, it's similarly priced, but gives you that classic couch look with a hidden sleeper function. Over 400 units sold in the past month show it's popular for a reason. If you want something that blends into your living room but can still host guests, this is a smart middle ground. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It pulls out into a full sleeper bed, giving your guests more room than a single fold-out. The backrest adjusts and it includes pillows, so it feels more like a real bed setup. The black fabric hides stains better than lighter colors, which is a small but real win if you have kids or pets. It's still floor-based, so it's not elevated like a standard sofa, but the added structure makes it feel more intentional. Now, some people complained about the assembly, even though it says no assembly required. A few buyers said parts were loose or instructions were unclear. Here's the thing though, most got it working within 10 minutes, and once set up, it's stable. It's not perfect, but for occasional use, it holds up. This is perfect for you if you want a sleeper that looks like furniture, not a camping mat. Skip this one if you need something that sits higher off the ground or supports heavier weight long-term. It's a great balance of form and function for the price. Product number 3, COMAX 4-in-1 Futon Sofa Bed. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for small spaces, the COMAX 4-in-1 Futon. At $204, it's the most affordable on this list, and with a 70-inch length, it's queen-sized when unfolded. Over 200 sold recently, and the removable cover is a standout feature. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It transforms between a couch, lounge chair, mattress, and futon, 4 functions in one. The dual foam cushions support hips and thighs, and the shredded foam backrest helps with spinal alignment, which is huge if your guests are staying more than one night. The seat depth is 35 inches, giving taller guests room to stretch out. Plus, the cover zips off and is machine washable, something you'll appreciate after a few uses. Now, some people noted the weight limit is only 220 pounds, which could be tight for larger guests or couples. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for occasional visitors under that limit, it's perfectly fine. It's not built for heavy daily use, but as a guest bed, it does the job. This is perfect for you if you're in a dorm, tiny home, or studio and need one piece that does everything. Skip this one if you regularly host heavier guests or want something that feels more like a permanent sofa. For under $210, it's an incredible value. Product number 4, folding sofa bed with memory foam. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, this dark gray folding sofa bed at $112 is a steal. It's single-sized, uses memory foam, and folds out into a floor mattress. With 200 plus sold recently, it's clearly popular for tight spaces. If you want ultra-affordable guest comfort that doesn't take up room, this is a no-brainer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The memory foam conforms to your guest's body, reducing pressure points, something traditional fold-outs often miss. It's not thick, but for 1 or 2 nights, it's surprisingly comfortable. The dark gray fabric hides wear, and it comes with a pillow, so you're not scrambling for extras. It's lightweight and easy to move from room to room. Now, some people said it feels too thin after a few hours. Here's the thing though, it's not meant for long-term sleeping. It's a backup solution, and for that role, it shines. Don't expect luxury, but do expect function. This is perfect for you if you have a home office or small bedroom that doubles as a guest space. Skip this one if you host guests frequently or want something that feels like a real bed. For under $120, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, Casenpol Memory Foam Futon. Finally, the Casenpol folding sofa bed brings memory foam and a washable cover to the table at $126. With a 72-inch length and 28-inch width, it's roomy for a single guest, and the corduroy fabric adds a touch of style. Over 50 sold recently, and the no-assembly design is a big plus. If you want comfort, ease of cleaning, and simple setup, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-density foam holds its shape better than cheaper alternatives, so it won't flatten after one use. The ergonomic design supports the spine, and the cover is removable and machine washable. Just toss it in cold water. It folds down to just 30 x 28 x 22 inches, so you can slide it under a bed or in a closet. Now, some buyers mention the fabric can attract lint or pet hair. Here's the thing though, that's common with corduroy, and regular vacuuming fixes it. It's not a flaw in function, just a maintenance note. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, modern look with real comfort for guests. Skip this one if you need a wider bed or plan to use it daily. For under $130, it's a smart, stylish pick. So which one's right for you? If you want maximum function in a tiny space, go with the COMAX 4-in-1. Need something that looks like furniture? The MAXYOYO Love Seat works. On a tight budget, the $112 memory foam option delivers. For easy cleaning and style, pick the Casenpol. And if portability is key, the original MAXYOYO folding bed gets the job done. No matter your space or budget, there's a sleeper sofa here that keeps your guests comfortable without the back pain.